So that's what's happening in the old dyno class today. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. Ripping on the old dyno class right here. You guys are pulling their first runs today. Actually, they're pulling their first runs period on this old dyno, so things are happening.
Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
We just pulled 3 runs. 1 horsepower gain, right? We decided we were going to do a little ABA testing right here, and each beller said, air filter, we have how much? With the stock air filter in the house, we have 273 horsepower. So now we're going to run a second test, and we're going to pull the air filter out. The last truck we did this to gained 17, 18 horsepower, something of that nature. So we're curious to see what's just going to happen. So pulling the air filter out and run her open, baby. Let's see what happens.
Gained 6.
6 horsepower.
10, I say 10.
10 horsepower. It's like an auction in here, man. We're a horsepower auction, I say. Gimme, 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 gimme. We're gonna give her, so we'll see what we get. So stay tuned. All right, so what we come up with is that we actually lost power with the K&N air filter on the truck. Let's try the theory of changing the location of the air filter. Cold air filter is supposed to be somewhere it's getting fresh air, where we was in the engine bay with the hood shut, where a lot of them run, right? We have a true cold air. The boys rigged up a cold air intake system. We said, let's get some fresh air on that old This old boy right here, always smiling. That dude, he walks around with a permanent smile, man. Meet Diego, baby. Howdy.
Better mix some paint. I'm gonna add some primer. I'm gonna go in and shoot.
Wait, what you got going on, man?
Paving this.